We have similar space around, space between, four values are there. Bootstrap grid system is different and this grid system is different. Grid template column. Okay, fine. After that, padding and no problem. So we can create a first equal grid, then non-equal grid, then a space around, a space in between. After that, some more are there. HTML, head, then color style. Okay. Next, after that, come to the body. H1, grid system in CSS. Grid system in CSS. Next one, text align, center, multi-page, 30 views. This happened for H1. For body tag, margin 0 px, padding 0 px. No any gap inside, no any gap outside. Okay, come down. Section tag we can use. For section tag. Section tag will have a class. Same class will use everywhere. Container. Grid we are written here. We can write here our services. Okay. Come down. Right inside. Division. H1. Service 1. Put some paragraph again. Display some text data. Will be okay. Got it? Come next. Write for this class equal to service. Okay, ready? Copy the same division. Paste 2, 3, 4 times. Service 4, service 3, service 2, service 1. Working. Now we need to apply the CSS for this. So all H1 we have written or something else we have written. H1 we have written because that's coming as a center. I'll change to H2. Also not be only H1. The service heading should be H2. Conflict is happening. Main heading and inner heading both is looking similar. Both is looking similar. Both should not look similar. Okay. Next, we can write the class for first for container. So write a ID as container class we give. You can give dot background you write is type padding also you write 15 px. Then next is display grid. Next background is ready. Next we can write grid template columns. Grid hyphen template hyphen columns. Grid template columns. Template columns. How many columns we wanted to display in one line? 4. Okay, so let's try with auto. We'll see what is this auto, and auto. Auto, and auto. Next, we can write some CSS for this one, for the service class. Okay, now between two columns, some gap is required. 30 pixel. Then we have a class called service. We have a class called service. Inside the service class, we'll write the background of service, white color. Text align is center. Text align is center. Padding, font size. Padding inside. Let's keep 20 px. Font size 25 px. This we have to understand how this 4 is calculating. Gap is okay. Between two column gap will be 30 pixel. Auto. We will see how it is coming. But it's covering how much? Full width. Oh, AUTO. The total area is split into 4. After removing the margin and padding, entire is split into 4. If I keep auto 2, what will happen? Awesome feature. You know? Entire float, margin, padding. No need to study anything. Directly come to the grid. But what manual calculation we have done, it is like a DOS command. Okay. Check now, little bit 4 times. Check now, please. 4 columns are coming in one line. So one container is OTK. In that we have made 4 columns. Container class will be remain same. Okay, container class will be same. We'll create another column. There we'll keep call 6 time auto. There we'll understand 6 are fitting in one line or not. Come down. This 4 service is okay. Next container will be same. But margin, have you given anything? You have not given any margin in container. Margin bottom we can give something, correct? Write a property margin bottom. Pixel. Little gap will come after this. We have good features in that. Let us see. Come now. So this 4 is done. Come now, after this section, create another section. We'll keep the same class. But same class if we give, then only how many will come? 4 will come. We have to give another container. And we have to change this one. We have to change this, right? So why can't we do something like, let's keep this one as a section tag. This one you keep as a section tag. So for all the section this will apply, and this many we can change. This 3 line we can change in every class. We can write separate class container 1, container 2, and only these 3 line we can change. That's it. So all the section will look similar. Okay, but number of column will get difference. So cut this 3 and keep below section, you keep here, and below to that keep one container. In that container you will add this many lines. So arrange it. First container was convert into section, and this 3 line cut from there and paste in another block. Keep call as a container. Got it? Added the grid. Margin bottom 30 pixel. Margin bottom not coming. So this is one container Rajat now. So first I have written this. Now let's come down below, create another container that give class equal to container 2. Okay. Inside this, we'll keep the multiple section. Service, same service you copy and paste in this total. How many times? 6 times. 2, 1, H2 we can convert into H3, H3, service 1, service 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? 6 is added. Come up now. Container 2 we have to write a class. So hope your section 1 is working. Section 2 is still here there. Section 1, 4 block are coming. Now in section 2, in section 2, we have a class called container 2. Container 2. In container 2, display grid only. Auto. How many times we wrote? 6 times. All are coming in same line. 6 times. So clear? Grid means just number of column, how many we want to display, that many times we need to add. We have difference number also. Like suppose if you are going to create as a 4, in that 2 should be equal and 1 should be non-equal and 1 should be auto. That is also possible. 1 equal, 2 equal, 1 fixed and 1 auto. Okay, 2 equal, 1 fixed and 1 auto. That is also possible. Come next down. So let me know, are you getting 6 and 4? Next after that 6 column. 6 column also coming. Now we will be adding in the same file one more below, maybe two equal, one fixed and one non-equal. Come down, write a section, same section you copy paste and make container 3. Same section you copy and paste and change as a container 3. Make only 1, 2. First, service 1, service 2, service 3, and service 4. Service 4. And delete remaining. Keep 4 service. Now we need to write container 3. Container 3. Service 1, 2, 3 we have written. That loop is like this. In the last 1, 2, 3, 4 service is coming. Now CSS will write for container 3. That should be first give as a 20%. Second also last give 20%. Okay. And middle 2 you give as a auto. 20% auto 20%. So middle 2 should be bigger. Last and first should be only 20%. So now we can create a number of column. Equal, non-equal, 3, 9. 3, 9 means what? 30%, 90% means one will be 30%, one will be 90%. We can give gap. Okay, and then we'll see responsiveness and all. Let me check once. See exact. This is the 20%. This is also 20%, and middle one is a bigger, like 20, 20, 40. Remaining how much? 60. So these two are 30, 30%. Resize ones, what is the condition? Okay. The CSS is required to make it responsive. Okay. Now, next we can create one 3-9 combination. 30-90. 30% and 90%. One and 30-70. 30-90, why came in mind? 3-9 came. In Bootstrap, we have a calculation of 12.
Yeah,
so 3 means 3 and remaining is how much? 9. Yes. But now we have, here we have 100% only maximum. So create container 4. Container 4 will be 25% to keep one, and one give 75%. Two column we have to create. Okay, so written, come down. One more section is required. Container 4. 2 you will add inside. Two will be non-equal column. Something like this. If height will increase in the first, what will happen to second? If height increase in the first, what will happen in second? But content, where is it? Content is in the middle. The top, from the top. Okay. Next example, we can create different example. How it is different. Or one more we can add in the same file. Add one more section. Section 5. Container 5. Add one more container 5. Okay. Container 5. In container 5, we will add total 6 6 service. Service 1, service 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, service 3. So hope you are following me. Container 5. Service 4, service 5, service 6. Service 4, service 5, service 6. Now come to the container 5. For container 5, you will be adding one different property. So auto, add 3 times. Auto, and auto. Okay. Next, after that, come to the grid template rows. Add one more property here. Grid template rows, ROWS, rows. Grid template rows. Okay, so auto. Oh, I made mistake here. This could do here, no? Auto. Inside the 5. Auto. Then you will add here called rows. Okay. In that, now how many times auto you wrote? 3 times. How many blocks you have there? 6. So it is going to keep in one line 3 because auto we have written 3 times. Correct? No? It is going to create total 3 columns. But the total blocks are 6. So it will become 2 rows. 2 rows. Now for first row, let's give a little less height. And for second row, give more height. Okay. First row, let's give 150 pixel. And second row, give 250 pixel. So height of first row should be less. Height of second row should be more. But while writing this, you have to remember your column also. So how many blocks you have added? 6. Here you have written auto. That meaning 3 columns will come in one line. 3 blocks will be used. Remaining 3 blocks will go to the new line. So first line will become 1 row. Second line will become the second row. Right. Now in first row, you have given the height to given 150. And for second row, you given the height called 250. It's like this. But the content are moving out since the data is more. Okay, data is more, so content is moving out. We can increase little. 170 is okay. And here 270 you can keep. Check now. Coming. Height is less and height is more. Complete entire CSS in your 4 lines. Okay. People ask in interview rows and green and flags. Okay, come next. So this file will leave now. We'll see some other example related to a space around and a space in between. Oh. Separate file, grid2.html. The example is clear or not clear? Reply should come in chat. Example is clear. Clear. Okay. That's right. And body, head and style. Head and style. Then come to the body part. We have written a class called service. That CSS you can copy. For body you have written CSS that you can copy. For section tag you have written CSS that you can copy. Body, section and service. Body, section and service. Section background give blue color or maybe dark blue color. Any dark color. Okay. Now come down. In body tag, again let's use the section tag. Give ID equal to container or ID equal to block1. Block1. We can use here hash block1. block 1. In block 1, you can take some CSS from previous container. Display will be grid. Column will be column will be 200 px, 200 px, and 200 px. Okay, so how many column? 3 column. Come to the block 1. Write a division. Class equal to service. Single line content you add here. Service, service, service. Check now. 3 blocks are coming. 200 by 200 by 200. Appeared 3 block. Now we have to apply justify content start and center something, something and something, a space around, a space between. Okay. So go here in this block 1, write a property called justify content. Justify hyphen content colon space around. Space around. Space around. Space around. So what should happen? A space should get applied around the equal space left, equal space right, equal space left, equal space right, space around. Next we have called a space between. A space around, space between. Copy again. Scope of working. Copy the section 1. Paste below. Block 2 you can give. Block 2. And we can write here called a space between. Block 2. Block 1 we can copy. We can paste here. And we can give a space between. A space between. ID should be block 2. Block 2. ID should be block 2. Appear like this. So this is giving a space around, and this is giving a space between. First is leaving the space from the second, second is leaving the space from first. So between a space and around a space. Left also equal, right also equal. Here left no space only from the right. Because in right side there is someone. That is called a space between. Between two element space will get applied. Okay. We have one more called center. Center. Justify content center. It will leave the space in the left and right, and it will come in the middle. Block 3 you can write here. Justify content center. Block 3. Justify content center. Come down. Block 2 you can copy, paste here. Block 3 will become where it's coming in the center. Justify content center. Next we have one more property. Let us see that is called the start and end. The start and end. The start will start from beginning, end will start from the last. Copy this, keep here. It called 4. And one more copy paste, make call 5. Block 4 will be starting from the left side. Block 4. Block 4 will be start. Block 5 will be end. And thing at an end. One is starting, another one is Next, we have one more called align content. Align content, what it says, align content is called center. Center, like suppose you have height more. You have height is more, and you want your content should be aligned in the middle, vertically. Then align center. Align content center. Align content top, align content bottom. Okay, so we can create one and we can see align content, space something, space around, similar way, space between, align content start, align content end. Start means top, end means bottom. Space around means equal space from all sides. Now come here, write in this. That is called a align content. Content. Sixth one. Align content start. Seventh one. Start means top. Start is representing here top. End is representing bottom. And center is representing the middle. Vertical. All vertical. But height should be more. Or which one? Okay. Hold on. If you are written center, increase the height in this. Keep height 400 px. Here also give height 400 px. Then we'll come to know. Both the places you add height in block 4 and block 5. 6, 7 you can add in the last. 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Six, 7. Any changes? Yes. This is in the center. And this is a start. Means on the top. This is in the middle, vertically, top to bottom is the middle. This is in the top. And also you have a space around you have. You can check it. You can use div tag also, no problem. Div tag is also fine. Right? Write one more below. Inside that, 8. How many times we have added? 3 times, right? 3 times. Add here. Add here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 15 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It should be total 15 times. 15 times. Okay, added. Now after that, in the first case, in the first case, write something, one more class. Write one more class called ABC. So we are calling one class called service and call one more class called ABC. ABC class. One more class called ABC. Okay, ready? ABC written. Now this is called block 8. Write block 8. Inside the block 8, columns you will write auto 6 times. Auto, 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 and auto. If 6 times. And then check. It is creating how many columns? Align is not required here. We can remove this. So 6 it will create in one line, right? The height and a line is not required. You can remove this. 6 it will create in one line. 6, 6, 12 and 3. 6, 6, 12 and then 3. Now you have created a class called ABC. ABC. Under the ABC, you can call a class called grid column. GRID hyphen column 1 should take the place of 5. Exclamation important. Set higher priority. Grid column COLUMN 1 by 5. It should take the place of 5. Where we are calling that. So where we are calling the ABC? First one. Blockade first. Blockade. First block. First block should take the place of 5. And 1 should be in the right. Something like this. It's taking the place of 5. Then, okay, 5 or 4? 4. Okay, how is the calculation here? Where to place an item. Use the grid column property to specify where to place an item. Okay. Item 1 will start on column 1 and end. Okay, yeah, correct. So it says like item 1 column will start at 1 and it will end before 5. Before 5. Before 5. Then only 4th and 5th will be, 5th and 6th will be in the last. This look very good features. Less code, more output.
Previously, you were writing like with the 70%, 30%. Now it's only 1. We divided into one.
Working. We'll see on Monday next. Books have need to enter. We are late little. Books have quickly will finish. There also you have grade system. There the column count is 12. 12. Here column count is not 12. Unlimited.
It is responsive options.
Here responsive we have to write our own media query.
So bootstrap 3, 4, 5 will count.
5, 5, 5. 3, 4 are not in use now. 5. 5.5. Okay, thank you. We can log out.